Have you ever thought of using your iPhone as your main webcam on your Mac? Interesting, huh? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've made this video in Italian as well, and if you understand that more, just click here. You have two options to use this feature. Firstly, you can connect your iPhone via cable. Just connect it, plug it in, and it works. If you go in the Zoom app, it will appear and it's fine. The second one, which is more intriguing, is using the entire system wirelessly. But you have three requirements. The first one is that your Mac needs to be on the same Wi-Fi as your iPhone. The second one is that your iPhone needs to be horizontally placed in a tripod, in a mount somewhere. You can find some adapters on Amazon as well. And the third one is that your iPhone must be locked. It doesn't need to be turned on, it needs to be locked in standby mode, alright? Then you go into your app, such as Zoom, go to your settings, video, and the iPhone will make a sound. After that, the iPhone camera will appear as your main option basically, and you can select that and use that as your webcam. This helped me a lot during my Zoom calls, so I hope this helped you as well. Have a great time. See you in the next one.